Hi, you are now watching the OTOP series on every Monday morning. And pay attention, there is no other media group like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp or WeChat that we share this market opinion. This valuable market opinion is only shared on every Monday morning in OTOP, only right here in YouTube. And this market opinion is going to help you do a wonderful stock pick after you do your homework. Stay tuned and I shall be right back. Well, this is the OTOP 136th episode, and for the week 27 March year 2023, DW World Equity Time is right here, coming back again on a Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time or Hong Kong time, and continue to share with you one important market opinion. Well, last week we actually shared the Hong Kong stock on Hua Hong Semiconductor, and the prices have been trading pretty firm. We shall go into the revision before we start off this week on what we are going to share. Well, on last Friday, a quick run through. All right, the U.S. economy is still getting worrisome on the banking crisis, and Americans are worried that more banks are going to collapse. And on the European side, Credit Suisse has been proposed to be taken over by UBS, all right, for 3 billion francs, and that's very cheap. Well, and Deutsche Bank share prices also dropped a little bit last week and caused a little bit of market fear. But well, analysts comment that Deutsche Bank is not the next Credit Suisse and going to be doing pretty good. Well, last Friday, the Dow Jones recovered and climbed 132 points, closing price 32,237. S&P 500 was up 32 points, closing price at 3970. Nasdaq gained 36 points and closing price at 11,823. Well, gold prices still hover below $2,000 US. Okay, a very brief spike up and came off. Closing price on Friday was $1,981 US per ounce, and the WTI crude prices, well, was swinging sideways around $70 US per barrel. Friday closing price was $69.20 per barrel, and that's for the WTI crude. Well, this week, what are we going to look at? Well, we feel that this week the US dollar is going to recover and strengthen, all right, taking the post effect on the rate hike on last week. Well, last week we had the US Federal Reserve increasing 25 basis points in the Fed funds rate, as well as Bank of England, all right, in UK, also increasing 25 basis points in the benchmark rate. And this post effect is going to see the dollar moving up, okay, this week. And most likely we are going to see gold prices, crude oil prices having a lid on the top, okay, going for correction. So this week, what could be good for selection in our portfolio? Stay tuned, and we are coming back as soon as possible. Well, start off with Hong Kong stock 1347, a quick revision on last week. All right, last week that was the OTOP 135. Well, if you had purchased or put in some Hua Hong Semiconductor into your portfolio, congratulations. You don't make big money yet, but at least the share prices continue to show firmness and buying interest in the market. As you see here, it is a day chart. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last week, if you went in, it should be about $34. Well, 60 to 70 cents, and now it's close to $35 Hong Kong dollars. And this week, we recommend a hold onto this counter, all right, unless if it breaks down well below this point, which is about 33 Hong Kong dollars. Otherwise, the uptrend should continue, and we should see a better short-term future in Hua Hong Semiconductor 1347. And also a quick revision of the 4 hours chart. Things still look pretty good. So hold on to this for another 1 week and let's see what it's going to turn into. Okay, this week, as we mentioned, the US dollar is going to recover, and usually commodity prices will come down, and stock prices will also see a little bit of drain off in the funds. But then we are still staying in the Hong Kong market this week. We are looking at another stocks that has a potential to move up. Be prudent, trade carefully, all right, and that's Xiaopeng or XPeng, we call it Xiaopeng Qishe. And the stock code is 9868. All right, 9868. If we look at this is a day chart. All right, the market has been hovering and doing sideways on the top side, $49 Hong Kong dollars, and on the bottom side is 31 Hong Kong dollars, going sideways, and it has crossed the EMA 4 and 20 many times, but this time we are still thinking that it's worth taking a bet on the market because there could be a recovery coming soon anytime in this 1 or 2 weeks. Well, on this crossing out on the day chart, definitely I think this is a good buy. All right, a pickup for this bottom with very minimal potential loss at the bottom. All right, it's about 39 Hong Kong dollars. Okay, you can set your cut loss point at 36 if it happens to come down. Well, look at the 4 hour chart. The time scale also shows a pretty strong reversal up here. All right, well, you may actually want to watch this 4 hour chart time scale as long as the XPeng share prices cross above here 42 Hong Kong dollars this week. There should be an aggressive up move. All right, so 9868, watch the 4 hour time scale chart, then reverse back to the day chart, and we shall be expecting some good news this week. All right, if we look at the week chart, then again also last Friday to close off the week, it has a protruding uptrend, and well, we hope it crossed this purple line and everything should look good this week for 9868 Xiaopeng. All right, so this is the DW equity time this week. Okay, OTOP 136 for the week 27 March year 2023. Thank you for watching us, and of course we want to welcome you back again every Monday at 9 a.m. and don't forget to share this video with your friends, trader friends, or people who want to start trading and people who have an interest in stock trading or any commodities. All right, stay tuned and we'll come back next week.